Welcome to The Explainer. Today we are totally unlocking the potential of cherries, way beyond the pie.
If you only think of cherries for pie, well, you're missing out on a whole world of flavor. Turns out this humble fruit is a total powerhouse for all kinds of dishes, not just sweets. So, what's the secret? It's actually way simpler than you'd think. It's all about balance. It really just comes down to three things: acidity, contrast, and, of course, texture.
And that acidity, that is your secret weapon. It cuts right through richness and keeps things from getting too sweet.
Okay, so think of cherries like a toolkit. You've got to pick the right one for the job.
And here are your 4 main tools. Each one has its own special strength, as you'll see. All right, let's put this into practice. We all know cherries work in desserts, but do you know why?
I mean, these are classics for a reason. They all get a serious upgrade from what cherries bring to the table.
Just think about your favorite desserts for a second. They're usually pretty rich with sugar and fat, right?
And that's the key. The cherry's acidity cuts through all that richness, which makes the flavors really pop. This means you can easily upgrade everyday stuff, like breakfast, just by adding the right kind of cherry.
But cherries are so much more than just a dessert ingredient. They are a total game changer. Just keep these simple rules in mind and you'll know exactly how to use cherries like a pro.
So the takeaway is simple. Once you get the logic, you can pretty much use cherries everywhere.
So now that you know the secret, what are you going to make first? Go on, get in there and experiment.